lemma. If the subspace W of V is invariant under T which belongs to A of V, then T induces a linear transformation T bar on the quotient space V by W defined by T bar of V plus W is equal to T of V plus W. If P1 of X is the minimal polynomial of T bar over F, and if P of X is that for T, then P1 of X divides P of X. Here they given that W is a subspace of V and it is invariant under T. Now we have to show that there is a linear transformation T bar from V by W to V by W, and it is defined by T bar of V plus W is equal to T of V plus W. And then if P1 of X is a minimal polynomial of T bar over F, and if P of X is that for T, then we have to show that P1 of X divides P of X. Proof: define T bar from V by W to V by W, which is defined by T bar of V plus W is equal to T of V plus W. Clearly T bar is defined in terms of T. Now we have to show that T bar is linear transformation. Let x comma y belongs to V by W and alpha be a scalar. Now x comma y, which is in the form of, that is, x is equal to V1 plus W and y is equal to V2 plus W, where V1 comma V2 belongs to V. Consider T bar of x plus y, which is equals to, now substitute the value of x and y here, that is T bar of V1 plus W plus V2 plus W, which is equal to T bar of V1 plus V2 plus W. So here by using this one, this can be written as T of V1 plus V2 plus W. Now since T is linear, this can be written as T of V1 plus T of V2 plus W, which is equal to T of V1 plus W plus T of V2 plus W. Again by using this one, it can be written as T bar of V1 plus W plus this can be written as T bar of V2 plus W. So here V1 plus W means x and V2 plus W means y. So substitute the value, we get T bar of x plus y is equal to T bar of x plus T bar of y. And now T bar of alpha x is equals to T bar of alpha means V1 plus W, which is equals to T bar of alpha V1 plus W. So by using this condition, it can be written as T of alpha V1 plus W, which is equals to alpha into T of V1 plus W, because T is linear, which is equals to alpha into T of V1 plus W. So this can be written as T bar of V1 plus W, which is equals to alpha into T bar of V1 plus W means x. So therefore we get T bar of alpha x is equals to alpha into T bar of x. So therefore T bar is linear transformation. Now let x is equal to V1 plus W, which belongs to V by W. Then T square bar of x is equals to T square bar of x means V1 plus W. Substitute the value, and again by using this one, we can write it as T square of V1 plus W, which is equals to T of V1 plus W, which is equals to T bar of T of V1 plus W, which is equals to T bar of, again by using this condition, this can be written as T bar of V1 plus W, which is equals to T square bar of V1 plus W, which is equals to T bar square of x. So therefore, which implies T square bar of x is equals to T bar square of x. Similarly, we can write Tk bar of x is equal to T bar whole power k of x. Call this as equation number 1. Now let us consider a polynomial q of x, which is equals to a0 plus a1 x plus so on up to plus am x power m. Then q of t bar is equal to a0 plus a1 t bar plus so on up to plus am t bar whole power m. By using equation 1, we can write a0 plus a1 t bar plus so on up to plus am t power m bar, which is equals to a0 I plus a1 t bar plus a2 t square bar plus so on up to plus am t power m bar, which is equal to a0 I plus a1 t plus a2 t square plus so on up to plus am t power m whole bar, which is equal to q of t bar. So therefore we get q of t bar is equal to q of t whole bar. If t satisfies q of x, then q of t is equal to 0, which implies q of t bar is equals to 0 bar, which is equals to 0, which implies q of t bar is equal to 0. So therefore t bar satisfies q of x. we proved that if t satisfies a polynomial q of x, then t bar is also satisfies the polynomial, that is the same polynomial q of x. That is, if q of t is equal to 0, then q of t bar is also equal to 0. In our hypothesis, they given that p of x is a minimal polynomial of t, that is p of t is equal to 0. From this condition, we can write it as, which implies p of t bar is also equal to 0. So further, they given that p1 of x is a minimal polynomial of t bar. So therefore, we can conclude that p1 of x divides p of x, and hence the proof.